Hello guys, welcome back to BST African Electronics Surgery. On Monday, so we do have an Acer laptop which was booked in as no power. It's Acer. Let me see the model. It's Acer Aspire 3 A315-33 series. That's the model of this one. Let's try to fix this without the charger today, Let's be pro today. We'll fix this without the charger. So this laptop was booked in as no power, plus we have a hinge problem. This hinge, you can see, this hinge is broken, this one. So I'll set the power supply on 19 volts. Let's use the power supply and supply the power. Let's supply the power 19 volts. The middle pin. I can see the charging light on. We have the orange light, but pressing the power button, it's taking like a 743 milliamps, which means it's charging, but our laptop is not turning on. Okay. So before the hinge thing, we need to get inside our laptop quickly and see what is the problem. All the screws are out. Let's see now. Let's check out the hard drive.
My boss, the rule is like.
Right, the hard drive. Take the hard drive out. I'm sure the back cover is supposed to come out, if I do remember. Right, nice motherboard with inbuilt battery. Okay. So what can be the problem here? Microcontroller ENE, that's the battery connector. Okay. Let's measure battery voltage. .82. Okay. I think we need to start by doing the basics here. Let's unplug the battery. For a while. So the battery has voltage 7.82, which I believe is fine. So what we can try, I took out the battery and we have the reset button here. Let's reset our board. That should be fine. Let's plug back the battery. Battery plugged back. Let's see now. Power supply. It's taking 15 milliamps, which is good for standby current. Let me power on. We reset the BIOS, so we have to wait. We reset the BIOS and still is not working. So let's go further. Let's recheck the battery voltage. We have 7.87. You can see on the screen. And here the minimum voltage is 7.7. So I believe our battery is fine. We don't have the BIOS battery. Maybe it's on the other side of the board. What I want to check, for voltage on ceramic capacitors. 7.86. What about on this one? 7.86. So our main power rail is present. In this case we are using the battery voltage. So there's no 19 there. What about 3.3, which is always on around the ENE chip? You must have 3.3 there. You can see on the screen 3.29. So we have our main power rail is present. Our 3.3 volts power rail, which is always on, is present, and the laptop is not turning on. That's bad, and I can't see any sign like water damage or anything. Oh, we have a BIOS battery. I think that's the BIOS battery. Let's reset the BIOS battery. I think this connector is going to the BIOS battery. This one. Let's reset. Maybe we have a frozen BIOS. Let's see now. Let's plug back the BIOS battery. Let's check what voltage do we have there on the BIOS battery. Must have 3 volts. 3.9, you can see on the screen. So the voltage on the BIOS battery is good. Let's plug back the main battery. Let's try to power on the laptop again. On. You can see here we have a switch button here on the keyboard. No, it's not working. So this time it's not the BIOS battery. What I want to check next, so it's not the BIOS battery, it's not the main battery. So let's check some voltage, which already we checked the 3.3, which is always on, is present, and our main power rail is on. What? This battery is now like 0. I checked it before, there was 7 point something volts there. It's now like 0. Yeah, that's a weird fault. So while this battery is now 0 voltage, so this looks like a weird repair. I checked before, the battery was 7 point something volts, but now it's like 0. It's like 1 volt. Okay. You know what? Let me look for the charger. This is confusing me. 19. Let's plug the charger. Let's go back to the same point. 19. 3.28. This battery is highly discharged. So what I want to do, let's try to power on the laptop without the battery. No, it's not powering on. What I want to do, what was the problem? I really need to know on the comment section what was the problem of this laptop, because all what I did here, I was checking on the keyboard connector, because this is some kind of ESA with the switch button on the keyboard. Let's try to power it off and see. No, you can't turn it off. So I know what happened. I was using the probes of the test meter, so I think the meter of the probe will just touch 3.3 to ground, which is meant to turn on the switch, and from that moment the laptop turn on. So I'm sure here we have a dead keyboard here. The keyboard died. But to prove that, I'll plug in the charger. I'll plug the charger. Power on, it's not turning on, you can see. I'm pressing the switch, but if I am to use a tweezer, the problem, I don't know which pin should be shorted to ground. I can't turn it on anymore. And it's on. So we have a dead keyboard here. We have a dead keyboard. And I don't think I have this kind of keyboard. I don't think so. I don't think so. So let me try to look for the keyboard and then we're going to continue this video. Yeah, it's a tricky situation here. So I tried to look for a different keyboard, but I couldn't find any keyboard here. So I think it's a good moment to do it on our way, you know. I think it's a good moment to do it on our way. So let's do some dodgy things here. So check out this hard drive. Yeah, maybe if you have access to order keyboard, you can do that, but I don't have access to order the keyboard. So like what I said, if you are in this business, you have to do whatever you do to fix the device. So what I'm going to do here, because I don't think the whole keyboard is faulty. I don't think so. Maybe a drop of water fall into the switch button, and from that moment the button just died. So what I want to do, I've took out this. That is where the switch button is meant to be. I need to do something dodgy here. We need to do something dodgy. I will show you after. I will show you after what I'm doing here. Because this top frame comes with the keyboard. So even if I found out the keyboard is faulty, we'll order the whole panel and change, but temporarily we need to do something because there are some urgent files to be retrieved. So temporarily we have to do something. I know it's dodgy what I'm doing here, but so we need to improvise our own switch here. We need to improvise our own switch here. I'm curious to see if that's gonna work or not. I was given permission by the customer to do whatever we can to bring this thing to life. So we have to do it. That's the switch. Hopefully it's a good switch diode mode. Two pins together and the other two pins together. Pressing. Our switch seems to be good. Now we need two wires. We need two wires. We need two wires with the plus and minus. One to come with our own switch. While you are still looking for the right keyboard, we just want to solve this problem so that at least our customer will be happy and we will also be happy. Let's see now. Let's see now. We do have our switch here. What we need to do to solder two wires, one for the plus and one for the minus. Where's my wire? I know this is dodgy what I'm doing here, but we'll see after. We'll see after if that is worth to be done or not. These wires, I'll put them on this wall, on this small hole that we drew here. Like this. We need to put glue here. Let's use our glue gun. That's our switch. Yeah, this laptop is pretty damaged. But on the inside We shall fix after. Now we have two wires. One wire will connect it to ground, and the other one to 3.3. The second pin on the keyboard connector. That's what we have to do here. That's what we have to do. So the battery is disconnected, we are safe. Second pin and the other pin to ground. Let's connect the other wire to ground. I think I explained the condition for the switch to turn on the motherboard. So basically that's all what we have to do. So I'll plug back the battery, we'll plug the charger and we'll test. Let's plug the hard drive. Hopefully our problem is solved. Hopefully, where is my charger? Charger plugged. No light. Why we don't have lights? One second. So let's see now. Yeah, the wires were touching from the switch side. So what I did, there was short on these wires, so I take out the short from the switch that I put. So these two wires, the one is going to ground, the one is going to 3.3, which is meant to turn on the laptop when you press the power on button from the keyboard. I took 3.3 and we came with our own switch. This is not right, but what can we do? The customer is desperate. He needs these files to be retrieved as soon as possible, and the keyboard is nowhere to be found. So what you can do in that case, I know this is Dodgy. I know this is Dodgy, but there's nothing we can do here. So can we test now? Good thing we have a working laptop. We have the charging light, power on. Let's wait. You can see ESA sign. Our laptop is working fine. It's working fine, it's charging. Let's wait. I need to test the other keys of the keyboard. You can see the keys are responding. Delete, backspace. All the keys are working fine. So let me turn off the laptop. Our laptop is now off. Now let's fix the inch problem. Let's fix the inch problem quickly. We have a broken inch here. Here. We have a broken inch here. So you can fix this problem quickly. The inch looks loose, so I'll use hot glue. This time I'll use hot glue, not epox. Let's fix this inch quickly. Hot glue all over. Some pegs, more pegs. Or you can even come with the top cover. I think that's a good idea. Let's wait for my glue to dry up and then we can test. Just a few minutes. So I think on the inside our glue just dry up. You can see that the inch, our inch is now fine. It's this one. And what I did, I know this is the Dodgy way, but if you don't have space, you have to find a way to fix things. Okay, so at first I put this switch. This is a bigger switch for the TV panels. I see it was bigger. We changed the switch and we put a smaller switch. So yeah, the area looks nasty, but everything is working. I think we can power on the laptop. You see? Yes, our laptop is working fine. with that switch. So that's not the idea. Let's power off the laptop. Off. That's not the idea, but the issue here, I wanted just to show you how you can do things, especially if you just want to get the job done. The customer is desperate, he wants his device working. You also want the device to work, but you don't have the spray. So we just need to respray that area to make this cover uniform. That should be fine. That should be fine. Just like that. While it's waiting for the keyboard, but even with like this, the customer can use it like this because all the keys, they are working. All the keys are working. So let's power on the laptop with the switch on. Our laptop is now on. You can see the ESA sign. That's the ESA sign. And it's loading Windows. On the each side, everything is working. So that's the way how you can fix things if you don't have space. And all the keys are tested one by one. All the keys are working fine. So maybe this video can be helpful to someone. And our laptop is charging fine, you see? We have the charging light. I'm waiting for the password screen so that we can test the keyboard one more time before I stop this video. So let's just wait. Let's just wait. Enter. Okay. Keys, delete. All the keys are working fine. So that's the thing.
Make your on-screen keyboard.
There's username there, so I want to close it to the on-screen keyboard like this. So you can see our laptop is working fine, it's charging fine. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I know this is dodgy, but that's what I'm usually doing when I just want to get the job done, especially when you have no choice. See you on the next one. Bye.